Welcome to Mind and Movement, getting smart about how you move. I'm Hazel. Thanks for joining me for Coffee and Move 41. So I've just been for a big walk. I've walked about 12 k's, mostly up a hill, and in that walk I got a whole lot of calf stretching because every step I took up the hill, my heel was on the ground. So every step I took, I was getting a calf stretch. I also, every step I took, was getting hamstring strengthening exercises, glute strengthening exercises, pelvic floor stability exercises as I was carrying myself on one leg. So we practice carrying ourselves on one leg so we can make our movement more nutritious. I also got lots of lymph drainage from my arms because I was swinging my arms reciprocally. I was carrying something. Yes, I was carrying a big 2-litre bottle of water even though I didn't drink any of it, so that I had load to switch between my hands and carry in different ways so that I could get more loads to more parts of me. So instead of doing some calf stretching, instead of doing some pelvic lifting to strengthen our lateral hip, instead of doing some glute bridges to strengthen the glutes, instead of doing some hamstring stretches, instead of doing all of that, go out, go for a big walk up a hill, and you will get so much more movement than you could get doing the restorative exercises. But it's really good that you've been doing all the restorative exercises, because now all of the parts of you move so much better that when you go out there and move, you'll be moving way more nutritiously. So hopefully we get to the point one day where we never have to do any more restorative exercise, but we just can get out there and move. But in order to do that, we're going to have to stop sitting down in chairs. So maybe we're always going to need a bit of restorative exercise. Anyway, that's enough from me for today. Have fun, get outside, take a nice big long walk, and I am going to go and enjoy my coffee outside. See you again tomorrow.